Hello everybody, this is R Topp again, and just to give a little update on the little thing I was trying to do and I'm still working on, is creating my own how to draw book as a means to train myself to draw. Yes, I'm retraining and I'm using my own talent to try and make it easier for other people to realize they can draw too. So, I haven't got very far, but to show that I'm not just playing around and saying it, I got my first draft images in the collection as I'm writing it, so I see what it looks like from the very beginning of simple planning. And here we go. Here's the front page so far. Getting there, getting the basic idea how to lay out and design my cover. It may not be the one I choose, but it gives a basic idea of where this project is going. Now, we move in further into it to show out how I'm planning the layout. As you can see, you're getting to see the pages as they flow out, starting with the basic introduction and jumping right into it. I don't believe in wasting time, so I jump right into it, giving you a first basic idea of where we're going. And page 4 and 3, which are the last two I got in this book so far, because I'm still working on progression. Here is continuing with the basic ideas. Set up. Oh, there we go, the lighting. Yeah, and there you go. Just to show you I am working on it. And pretty much what I just showed you there is just explaining my basic principle when it comes to art that I keep telling people. Yet sometimes people just don't see it themselves. And that is, anybody can draw, and most of you already draw and not even know it. That's right. If you can write your own name, you can draw. And I use the basic from the start to show you how you can draw letters using basic shapes and how letters are drawn. You never really realize that. You never really think about it when you're just writing. You don't realize that there's a method to the madness to it. And it breaks it down. It shows you how to see an image before you build it up. And this is where I start my introduction into drawing. I call it the art of seeing. How to see the object, see the basic shapes of the object, and every piece that breaks down within it, until you get the final detailed picture. And it always starts with the most simple basic shapes and basic lines and basic curves until you build up to the image you want. And that is my goal with this book, is to teach anybody, just pick up a pencil, learn how to see the image, how to break it down, how to build it up, and draw it yourself using these basic little steps that anybody can use to draw in any quality you would like. So I hope you enjoy this little thing, and yes, if this little project of mine works out the way I hope it does, I will have a published book built from this. It's just a matter of getting the funds and getting the publishing and figuring that part out. The hardest part right now is getting the text to explain everything as quickly and easily as possible within a page, so you're just not bored to death with a lot of talk about art styles, artists, and all this technical crap that most people will be bored stiff of. So hopefully it all works out fine. So I hope you enjoy this video, and hopefully when it's all over with this project, you may be able to have a copy of it of your very own. So good night everybody, have a good one.